Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the studio for the today. I bought something amazing. Look at this is what I bought today. Wow, what can you do with this thing? And how it look like? It look like what? Like this. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. This is what I bought, brother. What I bought, just like that. As you can see, this is not a joke. Let me show you something. You have what? You have this. You can see it's one for you have one for mic and another for headphone. But I don't know if it's working. I don't know if it's working. This is what I decided to buy. For what? For my new headset. Let me show you. Let me show you. The first video I make the unboxing, you can watch in the end of this video. Look at how it look like. Look at how it look like. You believers, it's beautiful. It's nice, beautiful. As you can see, it's good. Okay, I'll set the table. Look at. And let me show you something. Okay, let me show you something quickly. As you can see this, you can press volume. But this is not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about this. Look at a face and you can see this. For your computer, you need to connect this, all of this to your computer. This is NGS GBX-1500. Okay, and I want to do something quick. Okay, let me show you something first. Let me show you what you can do with this. First of all, you have this. This is USB, Samsung USB connector to type USB Type C. And let's connect this one, and use this. Okay, to connect to your phone. Let me show you. When connect this to your phone, you can play music and watch, you will listen to music. Okay, and when you connect this one to your phone, look at very well this headphone. Look at very well this headphone. When you connect this like that, look at it's now. Wow, look at the LED appear. Look at the LED appear. But what about this? Where can I put this now? Because this is the mic. Look at this is the mic, as you can see here. Where can I put this? Okay, this is why I decided to buy something. And the thing I bought is this. Just to try if it's working, because I want to have this one. Okay, to use in my computer also. Okay, now let's go for the unboxing. Beautiful. Now look at what you have here. Look at what you have here. Look at what you have here. So much cable, brother. This is so much cable, brother. What can I do with this? What can I do with this? I don't know. But you can see by yourself. What can I do? What can I do? What? Okay. First of all, let me try to connect all of this. All of this for both. Okay. This with this headphone. This headset directly to this one. What? Beautiful. The next. Wonderful. Okay, it's connected. But I don't know if it's working perfectly. I don't know, definitely. I don't know. I don't know. What? Okay. I need to use just my beautiful mic. Okay, this I want to use just the face. Okay, just to see how it's working, something like that, in my beautiful PC. Okay, this is why I decided to buy this, just to test. Okay, now all of this connected to what I bought. Wow, look at his size, so long. Now what can I do? I want just to I want just to connect this to my phone. Before doing this, let me connect this thing to my phone just to see if it's working. Look at very well. Look at, oh, you can enter inside. Oh, it's not easy to remove easy. Let me remove this case and do this. Okay, now it's good. Let's play song. Let's see if it's working. Oh my god, it's working. I can listen to the song. Please let me increase the volume of this thing. Let me, where are you? Oh, okay, let me increase the volume. Now listen. As you can see, it's working. This is significant, but this new thing is working very well. It's working very well. Okay, this is just a good news to start. Okay, a good news. You have amazing new long cable, and wow, I like this. Okay, secondly, let me test this USB just to see if it's working also. Okay, USB, Samsung USB connector here. Put this inside. Let me connect to my phone. Oh, and look at what you have here. And it's working. Wow. Now I want just to try to test this in my computer to see if I can record my voice with this. Okay, directly now. Okay, wow, look at how it's so beautiful. It's so amazing. I like this. Definitely I like the LED. So nice, so great. This is from NGS. Okay, now let me test all of this by myself. Maybe I will make another video to show you my conclusion. Don't forget to subscribe share and get ready for more videos. Let me show you how long is the cable. Get ready. Okay, Look at how long is the cable. The cable is just very long. Very long. It's big. Look at. Great cable. Oh, what are you doing? Wow, the cable is just amazing. It's so just long. Very long cable. Look at all of this. Brother. Damn. This is definitely something crazy. You believe this? I bought all of it because of face one. As you can see in front of you. Damn. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on share and get ready for the next video and more videos on my YouTube channel. Okay? God bless you all. I love you all. Thank you. Subscribe today. Woo! So nice.